video, we'll talk about the digestion of food in the buccal cavity or the oral cavity. So we ingest the food into the oral cavity or the buccal cavity through the mouth. So once we ingest the food in the oral cavity or the buccal cavity, we have teeth and the tongue. So teeth with the tongue start to masticate the food. Mastication means grinding of the food. So teeth along with the tongue and the saliva. You know that saliva is produced by three pairs of a salivary gland, that is parotid gland, sublingual gland and submaxillary or submandibular gland. So these pairs of salivary glands secrete saliva into the oral cavity. So when we ingest the food, the teeth, tongue along with the saliva start to masticate or the grind the food to form a fine paste, during which the food get mixed with the saliva, and this saliva consisting of a very important component, like it consisting of electrolytes like sodium, potassium, chlorine, bicarbonate, etc. Apart from that, saliva also consisting of two very important enzymes, that is salivary amylase and lysozyme. First one is salivary amylase. As the name indicates, amylase, which helps in the digestion of carbohydrate. So salivary amylase acts on the starch which is present in the food, and it converts this starch into the disaccharide, that is maltose. So in the mouth, the starch is acted upon by the salivary amylase of saliva, and it converts it into disaccharide, that is maltose. Whereas another enzyme, that is lysozyme, do not have any hydrolytic activity, but it acts as an antibacterial agent, because through the food any infectious agent can enter our body, but it will be acted upon by the lysozyme, and it will be taken care by the lysozyme enzyme, which will prevent the infection in the body. So that is about the two important enzymes that is present in the saliva, and in that salivary amylase helps in the digestion of carbohydrate, that is starch, into the simpler form, that is disaccharide, especially maltose. But there is no digestion of protein and fats takes place in the mouth region. So that is what happens when we ingest food into the oral cavity or the buccal cavity.